Hello everyone, welcome to Mass Online Institute of Physics. Do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive latest update. So in the previous video, we have discussed various problems on logic gates. So in the present video, we'll be solving all the previous year problems from NEET and IIT JEE. So let us start our video. So this is our first question. This question was asked in All India Pre-Medical Test 2016. What he has given? He has given a particular waveform. What is the question? The following figure shows a logic gate circuit with two inputs. He has given two inputs A and B, and there is an output C. The voltage waveforms of A, B and C are shown in the figure. So this is the question given. Now he is asking you to identify this waveform correspond to which of these following four options. Means already in the previous video we have studied regarding waveforms of different logic gates. So here he has given the option, here he has given the waveform and he is asking you to determine this waveform represents which gate. Now let us see this waveform. I said that whenever signal is high, it represents binary number 1, and whenever signal is low, it represents binary number 0. So here it is high, so I am representing it with 1. Here it is low, I am representing it with 0. Again here it is high, I am representing it with 1. So if I write the input A and B are input and C will be the output. It is given in the question. Output is C, whereas A and B are input. So what are the inputs for A? Input for A is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let us see the second input B. Again the second input here it is high, so this will be 1. Again this is also high, the second one is also high. And this third one, let us see the third one, it is low. Let us see the fourth one, this is also low. Again the last one is high. So what are the input for B? It is 1, 1, 0, 0 and it is 1. Now let us see what is the output waveform. This output waveform, this represents what? It is high signal, means it represents 1. Again see this is low signal, here it is 0. Again here also this is 0, this is also a low signal. And again here it is 0, this is also a low signal. Again we are having a high signal, it is 1. So what is the output? This C represents output. What is the output signals? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now let us observe this truth table and let us find out the option. See here, whenever both the inputs are 1, whenever we are having both the inputs as 1, we are getting output as 1. Okay, see here. Here see, whenever input A is 0, input B is 1, then the output is 0. Whenever input A is 1, input B is 0, again the output is 0. Whenever both the inputs are 0, again the output is 0. Whenever both the inputs are 1, output is 1. So I hope you all remember the condition for AND gate. What was the condition for AND gate? When both the inputs are 1, then output will also be 1. This was the condition for AND gate. I hope you remember this condition. This was the condition for AND gate. So which is the correct option? So first one is the correct option. Actually you can do this problem very fast. Just I am explaining, that's the reason it is taking time. So I hope you understood this problem. Let us move on to the second problem. See here, he has given two circuit diagrams. In the following circuit, the output Y for all possible inputs A and B is expressed by the truth table. Now he has given this circuit diagram. He is asking this circuit diagram represents which of the following options. So let us first of all find out which logic gate does it represent. Which logic gate does it represent? See here, which logic gate is this one? There is a symbol. This is nothing but which logic gate? This is a NOR logic gate. This is a NOR logic gate. So this NOR logic gate is attached to one more gate. See here, this is also NOR. But yesterday I have discussed one condition. Whenever there is a logic gate, NOR logic gate, if both the inputs of NOR logic gates are joined together, if both the inputs of NOR logic gates are joined together, then this gate represents which gate? It represents NOT gate. So this is which gate? This gate is nothing but it is NOT gate. So what will be the combination of NOR gate plus NOT gate? What will be the combination of NOR gate plus NOT gate? It will be OR gate. It will be OR gate. Combination of NOR gate plus NOT gate will be OR gate. I will explain this. Everyone see here. See, OR gate plus NOT gate will give, combination of OR gate plus NOT gate will be giving NOR gate. If you again add a NOT gate to it, it will become OR gate. This is what happened here. This is NOR gate and this is NOT gate. Whenever you are adding NOR gate to a NOT gate, your answer will be OR gate. Now he has given 4 truth tables. He has given 4 truth tables. Instead of substituting all the values, we can directly find out OR gate. What is the truth table for OR gate? We know that for OR gate, the truth table will be whenever both the inputs are 0, output will be 0. If any one of the input is 1, output will be 1. This is the truth table for OR gate. This is the truth table for OR gate. Let us see which of the following option is satisfying this truth table. Let us see which of the following option is satisfying truth table. Now see here. 0, 1, it is 1. Okay. 0, 1, it is 1. Okay. 1, 0, it is 1. Again 1, 1, it is 0. This condition is being not satisfied. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. See here, I am able to see this third option. See here, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. So our correct option is third one. Why? Because this truth table is similar to this thing. This is nothing but OR truth table. I hope you understood the concept as well as this problem. This question was asked in All India Pre-Medical Test 2007. Let us move on to the next problem. Okay. This question is asked in All India Pre-Medical Test 2008. He has given a circuit. He has given a circuit. He is asking you to find its equivalent. He is asking you to find its equivalent. Yesterday also we have discussed this problem. Already he has mentioned that this gate is NOR gate. He has mentioned that this gate is NOR gate. Again he has mentioned that this gate is NOT gate. I hope you remember this gate. What is this gate called as? I said that whenever there is a NAND gate, if both the inputs of NAND gates are joined together, then this gate represents NOT gate. This gate represents NOT gate. So we got the 3 gates. First one is NOR gate. This NOR gate is attached to NOT gate. Again this NOT gate is attached to one more NOT gate. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer for combination of NOR gate plus NOT gate? It will be OR gate. Just now in the previous problem we have discussed. Now this OR gate plus NOT gate will give NOR gate. I hope you are getting this. How many gates are there? 3 gates are there. What are those things? NOR gate. Second one is NOT gate. And third one is also NOT gate. So whenever you are adding NOR gate plus NOT gate, you will be getting the combination of this as OR gate. Now this OR gate is added to NOT gate. So what will be the final answer? Our final answer will be NOR gate. So which one is the correct option? Option 4 is the correct one. Let us move on to the next problem. Yeah. Again this one is All India Pre-Medical Test 2009 question. What is the question given? The symbolic representation of 4 logic gates are given below. He has given 4 logic gates. What is this? Suppose he has given 4. Let us see the question first. He has given 4 logic gates. He is asking you to the logic symbol for OR, logic symbol for OR, logic symbol for NOT, and logic symbol for NAND gates are respectively. Very easy question. He is just asking the symbol for OR gate, NOT gate, and NAND gate. So let us see first one, OR gate. Which one is OR gate? This fourth option is OR gate. A leaf-like structure is known as OR gate. Next, which one is NOT gate? We know that this is NOT gate. I said that a triangle with a bubble represents NOT gate. And which one is NAND gate? We know that AND gate. For AND gate, we will be having only D symbol. Whereas for NAND gate, we will be having a D symbol plus a bubble. So which one is the option? This one is the NAND gate. So if you write in terms of this in this order, which one is OR gate? OR gate is fourth one. Which one is NOT gate? NOT gate is second one. And which one is NAND gate? NAND gate is first one. Fourth one, second one, first one. Fourth one, second one, first one. So this is our option second is right. Fourth one, second one, first one. It was very easy question. This type of questions are being asked in the NEET examination. Okay, let us see the next question. This question was asked in All India Pre-Medical Test 2019. What is the question he has given? The following figure shows a logic gate circuit with two inputs. Here he has given two inputs and output Y. The voltage waveforms of A, B, Y are given. Here A, B represents input. These two are inputs. Whereas Y is an output. Y is an output. Let us write down this waveform in the form of truth table. A, B are inputs and Y is output. Now let us find out what are the inputs. See here. Here already he has mentioned low signal and high signal. This represents which signal? It is low signal. Now next one. This represents which signal? It is low signal. Now this one is high signal. Again from here to here it is high signal. Again from here to here it is low signal. Let us write down the inputs for A. It is 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0. Now let us move on to the second one. This is B. B also is first signal is low signal and the second signal is high signal and the third signal is low signal and the fourth signal is high signal and the fifth signal is low signal. Let us substitute the signals here. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now what is the output? Again output. Output is first one is high, second one is also high, third signal is also high, but fourth signal is low and fifth signal is high. Let us see this truth table. What is the input? What are the output for this particular waveform? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So let us neglect the last one because again it is repeating. See here. Let us neglect the last one so that we can directly identify the truth table. Whenever both the inputs are 0, output is 1. We are having how many logic gates? Let us write down the logic gates. So let us see. Here already has given the option, but I will be writing the logic gates. What are the logic gates? One is AND, second one is OR, third one is NOT, fourth one is NAND, and fifth one is NOR. These two options are not possible. These three options are not possible because NAND gate will have only one input and one only output. So here there are two inputs. So this option is not possible. NOR option is or NOT option is not possible. Why AND is not possible? Because in case of AND gate 0 0 will be 0, but here the answer is 1. Similarly in case of OR gate 0 0 will be 0, but here it is 1. So these three options are not possible. So here OR gate is not possible, AND gate is not possible. Now we have to find the answer from NAND gate or NOR gate. I hope you remember the truth tables of NOR gate and NAND gate. What was the truth table final output for NOR gate? It was A plus B bar. And for NAND gate, what was the output? A dot B bar. What was the output? 1. I hope everyone remembered that. 1, 0, 0, 0. This was the output for NOR gate. Whereas for NAND gate, this was the output. 1, 1, 1, 1. What were the inputs? What were the inputs? Both of them had same input. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So whenever both the inputs are 0, output was 1. Here also in case of OR gate, whenever both the inputs were 0, output was 1. In case of NAND gate, whenever any one of the input was 1, output was 1. So our right answer is NAND gate. See here. Whenever both the inputs are 0, output is 1. Whenever any one of the input is 1, output is 1. Whenever any one of the input is 1, output is 1. When both the inputs are 1, output is 0. So this is satisfying this NAND gate. This is satisfying this NAND gate. That's the reason I have asked you to remember all the logic truth tables. If you are able to remember the truth tables, you can directly, without solving all those things, just by looking at the truth table, you can solve this problem. It will take not more than 10 seconds or 15 seconds. I hope you understood this problem. See, very basic, easy questions are being asked in the examination. So now let us move on to the next problem. Okay. Again, he has given in All India Pre-Medical Test 2011. He has given again symbolic question. What is the question? Symbolic representation of 4 logic gates are shown here. Pick out which one are AND gate, NAND gate and NOT gate. So we have to find which one is AND gate, which one is NAND gate and which one is NOT gate. Let us write the name of the gate here only. See here, this represents, this is like leaf-like structure. This represents which gate? It represents OR gate, but it is not there. This is D-like structure. D-like structure means which gate is this one? This is nothing but AND gate. Whenever there is a triangle with a bubble, this gate represents which gate? It represents NOT gate. Whenever there is a D-like structure with a bubble, D-like structure with a bubble, then this represents NAND gate. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find just AND gate, NAND gate and NOT gate in this order. Which one is AND gate? Second one is AND gate. Which one is NAND gate? Fourth one is NAND gate. Fourth one. See, remember this order. He is asking in order. He is asking in order. Fourth one is NAND gate. And which one is NOT gate? Third one is NOT gate. Third one is NOT gate. So which one is correct answer? Option 1 is right. This question was asked in 2011. Now let us move on to the next question. I hope everyone is getting this. Very easy questions. If you are perfect with the previous 2 videos, then you can easily solve this problem. Okay, now All India Pre-Medical Test 2012 question paper or question. See here, he has given a question to get an output y is equals to 1. He wants this output y is equals to 1. Already he has given that he wants an output y is equals to 1 in a given circuit. From this circuit, which of the following inputs will be correct? How many inputs are there? Here there are 3 inputs. A, B, C. 3 inputs are there. Now he has given 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute these 4 options in place of A, B, C. Actually this one, I think this one is C. You have to substitute this option A, B, C here and we have to check whether we are getting answer as 1 or not. Now let us take the first one. Let us take the first option. Here input A is 1. Input B is 0. And input C is also 0. Which gate is this one? This is a leaf-like structure. This is OR gate. What is the output of OR gate? It will be nothing but y is equals to A plus B. So what are the inputs? 1 and 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. So what will be the output? It will be 1. This one is applied to this gate. Which one is this gate? This is nothing but D-like structure means AND gate. Now this 0 is applied here. This 0 is applied here. So what is the output for AND gate? What is the output for AND gate? Y is equals to A dot B. What is A? It is 1 dot B. What is here? B represents C. What is the other input? Instead of 1, this one is input 1 and input 2. It will be right. So second input is what? 0. So our answer will be 0. But what we want answer as 1. So our first option is wrong. Similarly, let us substitute the second one. If I substitute the second one, input A is 1, input B is 0, input C is 1. Now see here, again the same input. Here input A is 1, input B is 0. What will be the output? It will be 1. Next, what is the input I have given into C? This one was first one and this is second one. Now we are talking about this one. Now input C is given as 1. So here instead of 0, it will be 1. Now what will be the output here? So this was previous one. What will be the output here? We know that y is equals to A dot B. What is here input here? 1. And what is the other input? Again the other input is 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 1. So using this second option, we are getting the answer as 1. So correct option is second one. What is the question he has given? He is given to get an output y is equals to 1. Which of the following input should be given? I hope you understood this problem. Already this type of problem has been discussed in the previous video. So now let us move on to the next problem. So this is NEET 2013 question. See how much easy questions they are asking. What is this question? This question was asked in 2013. What is the question? The output X of the logic circuit shown in the figure is, see here, which logic gate is this one? A symbol, D symbol with a bubble. D symbol with a bubble represents which gate? NAND gate. D symbol with a bubble represents NAND gate. Plus this symbol is which one? Already I have mentioned, whenever both the inputs are joined with a bubble here, then this represents which gate? This always represents NOT gate whenever both the inputs are joined. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be, and see here, NAND gate plus NOT gate will give AND gate. Previously we did this problem with respect to NOR writing in before, just few problems before we have done that in NOR gate. So whenever NAND gate is added to NOT gate, it will become AND gate. See here, we have studied that whenever AND gate is added to NOT gate, it will become NAND gate. Again, if you add NOT gate to NAND gate, it will again become AND gate. I hope you are understanding. What will be the output of AND gate? What will be the output of AND gate? It will be nothing but A dot B. What will be the output of AND gate? It will be nothing but A dot B. So which one is the correct option? Option 2 is the correct answer. So now let us move on to the next problem. Okay, this is All India Pre-Medical Test 2015 question. What he has given? Which logic gate is represented by following combination of logic? He has given three logic gate, 1, 2 and 3. Now he is asking this, whatever answer we are getting finally, it represents which logic gate. See here, this one is which logic gate? This triangle with a bubble? Not. Here also triangle with a bubble? Not. A leaf like structure with a bubble, this gate represents which gate? It is NOR gate. Now see here, in case of triangle or NOT gate, whenever you were giving input A, then what was the output? It would have become A bar. If you are giving input as B, output would have become B bar. So whatever input you are giving here, it will inverse this one. Here it is A, here it will become, output will become A bar. Here it is B, here the output will become B bar. Now what is this NOR gate? NOR gate, what is the output of NOR gate? We know that NOR gate output is given as A plus B bar. Whenever inputs are A and B, output is given as A plus B bar. So what are the inputs here now? Now A bar is input here, B bar is input here. So what will be the output? I can write Y is equals to A bar plus B bar, again whole bar. See, this is whole bar. A and B are the inputs, but here what are the inputs? Here A bar and B bar are the inputs. Now tell me, which logic gate does it represent? We know that for NOR gate, I should be having something like this. Output should be something like this. For OR gate, I know that output should be A plus B if A, B are inputs. For NAND gate, output should be A dot B bar. And for AND gate, output should be A dot B. But we are getting some different output. Then what we should do? See here comes a concept, a new concept for you. I don't know why they are giving this, but in few examinations they are giving this concept that is called as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. What this De Morgan's law says that whenever there is complement of sum of the two inputs, this is called as complement of sum of the two inputs are there, then its output could be written as, or then its output can be written as A complement dot B complement, A complement dot B complement. Similarly, this is first De Morgan's law. Second De Morgan's law, what it says? Complement of product of two inputs. Complement of product of two inputs could be written as, or can be written as, sum of the complements of individual inputs. Sum of the complements of individual inputs. So please try to remember this or write down it somewhere else, because sometimes they will be giving this type of question. See here, now we got the output like this, but none of the option matches. Now we should use De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? If there is a complement of sum of the two inputs, then it could be written as complement of product of the two inputs. If there is product of complement of product of two inputs, we can write complement of sum of the two inputs. Now this here, this option can be written as, here this plus symbol is there. Here also whenever plus symbol is there, it is replaced with dot symbol and separate complements are written. See here, I am writing this answer A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now this can be written as, see here this bar was separated. Already here bar is there. Again above that one more bar will come. This place will become dot. This place will become dot. Again we are having a bar above B and one more bar will be there. See, A double bar is nothing but A. B double bar is nothing but B. This how you have written, sir, means this is nothing but these are some Boolean laws. So whenever you are seeing that A double bar is there, you have to write down as A. If you are seeing B double bar, then write down it as B. Similarly, if you are having A triple bar, then A double bar represents A, an extra bar will be there. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is y is equals to A dot B. So which one is the correct answer? Option 4 is the correct answer. I hope you understood this problem. So this is not a typical problem, very easy problem. The thing you have to do is you have to remember this De Morgan's law. I hope you understood this problem. So let us move on to the next problem. So this is the NEET 2016 question. I think we have already solved this type of question. What is the question he has given? To get output 1 for the following circuit, the correct choice for the input is, again see here, he wants this output to be 1. So what the input we should give? What is the input we should give? See here, if I give this input, here it is 1, here it is 0, 1 into 0. This is which gate? OR gate. This is which gate? AND gate. For 1 plus 0, here it will become 1. What is the input here? C. C is again given as 0. For AND gate, it is multiplication. AND gate represents multiplication. 1 into 0 will be 0. But we want the output as 1. So this can't be the answer. Let us check the option B. What is option B? Input A is 1. Input B is 1. So what will be the output here? Output will be 1. What is the input C? Again input C is 0 only. Again 1 into 0 will be 0. So this could not be the answer. Let us see the third option. What is input A here? Input A is 1. What is input B? It is 0. So 1 plus 0 will become 1 here only, because what is the output of OR gate? It is nothing but A plus B. 1 plus 0 will become 1. Now what is the input here? Input C is 1. So here we are writing input C is 1. Now 1 into 1. AND gate. What is the output for AND gate? Y is equals to A into B. So 1 into 1 will become 1. So what? This is our right option. Let us see the fourth one. If input A is 0, input B is 1, again here it will be 1. But again input C is 0. So 1 into 0 will be 0. So this can't be the answer. So correct option is C. I hope everyone is getting these problems. Let us move on to the next problem. See, this is NEET 2016 question. What is the question given? What is the output Y? Again he is asking what is the output Y in the following circuit when all the three inputs A, B, C are first 0. Initially what he said? All the inputs A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to are 0. Next, A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 1. This type of problem we have discussed in the previous video. Now initially let us substitute all the inputs as 0. Now A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0. Now this is the D symbol. D symbol represents which gate? This is AND gate. See here 0 into 0, because AND gate is nothing but A into B. 0 into 0 will become here 0. Again C is also 0. This is which gate? A D symbol with a bubble. This represents which gate? NAND gate. What is the output for NAND gate? Y is equals to A dot B bar. Y is equals to A dot B bar. So here it will be, here it is 0 dot. Output C is also 0 and bar. 0 into 0 will become 0 bar. What is the 0 bar? It is 1. So let us see the option. First one is 0, but we are getting the answer as 1. So this is not the right answer. Second option, first one is 0, but we are getting the answer as 1 for this condition. So this could not be answer. So two options are getting cancelled. Now we are left with option 3 and option 4. Now let us check the second one. If A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 1. Now I am substituting here. Let me draw the diagram once again. This is AND gate and this is attached to a NAND gate. This is attached to a NAND gate. So this is input A, input B, input C. Now I am substituting A, B, C is equals to 1. Here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 1. This is which gate? AND gate. What is the output of AND gate? Y is equals to A dot B. So 1 into 1 will be 1 here. Again this one is applied here. This one is which gate? NAND gate. This one is NAND gate. What is the output for NAND gate? Y is equals to A dot B bar. So here input is 1, here input is 1. Let us substitute here. Y is equals to 1 dot 1 bar. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 bar. What is the 1 bar? It is 0. Complement of 1 is 0. So which one is right answer? Third one is right answer. For 0 input, I have got the output as 1. For 1 input, I have got the output as 0. So correct option is third one. I hope you understood. Let us move on to the next problem. Again 2017. Again in 2017 a similar question is given. A circuit diagram is similar question is given. A circuit diagram is given. You have to find which logic gate does it represent. You have to just find out which logic gate does it represent. See here, first one already mentioned. Which is this gate? He has already mentioned this gate as NOR gate. Now don't fall in the trap of the question paper setter. Here he has given NAND gate. Here he has given NAND gate. But what I said, whenever there is a NOR gate and NAND gate, whenever there is a NOR gate or NAND gate, if both the inputs are joined together, then it represents a NOT gate. Don't fall into its trap. Here he has given NAND gate, but what we know, whenever both the inputs are joined together, it represents NOT gate. And what is the third gate? Third gate is NOT gate. Now let us add all of them. NOR gate plus NOT gate will give OR gate. OR gate plus again this NOT gate will give nothing but NOR gate. So this is nothing but which logic gate? This is equivalent to NOR gate. Already same problem has been repeated. Now let us move on to the next problem. This is 2018 question. See here ECET means Engineering Commons Entrance Test. This is being conducted in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So this question was asked in 2019. Now let us see this question. What he has given? The truth table for the given logic circuit. Actually here it should not be truth table. It should be a Boolean expression or output for the given logic gate. Why he should be given? Here he has given 4 options: A dot B plus AB whole bar or complement. Let us see this thing. See here, there are how many gates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 gates. Let us name them. This is which gate? NOT gate. This is which gate? NOT gate. A D symbol represents AND gate. A D symbol represents AND gate. And a leaf-like structure represents OR gate. Now let us apply this thing. This is A. A input is applied here. A input is applied here. And this is B. For B there is a NOT gate. Whenever input is B for NOT gate, then output will become B bar. Then output will become B bar. Now suppose what is the output for AND gate? We know that for AND gate output will be Y is equals to A dot B. So here I am writing it as Y1. Y1 is equals to A dot. Instead of B, what is there? Here it is B bar. Here it is B bar. Now let us see here this gate. Again here it is having 2 inputs. This input is coming from here. This is A input. A input. A input. A input is attached to which gate? This is NOT gate. Whenever for NOT gate input is A, the output will become what? The output will become A bar. And other input is there B. Here other input is B. It is being applied to AND gate directly B. So what is the output for AND gate? We know that output, let it be Y2. What is the output for AND gate? It is nothing but A dot B. So here it will become, what is input here? A bar dot B. Now this Y1 input is applied here. Y2 input is applied here. Which gate is this one? This gate is OR gate. OR gate. OR gate means what is the logical operation for OR gate? It is nothing but addition. A plus B. So here I can add Y1 plus Y2. What is Y1? What is Y1 I got? I got A dot B bar. What is the Y2 I got? I got A bar dot B. So which one is right answer? Option 2 is right. I hope you understood. Don't worry by just looking at the diagram. It is very easy. You can easily score 4 marks for this NEET student. Even in IIT, they can easily get 4 marks. Even for engineering examination, they will be getting 2 questions on logic gates. Now let us move on to the next problem. Okay, finally 2000 NEET question, 2019 NEET question, means previous year question. In this year, he has made some twist. He has he has now just included a certain different type of problem in the logic gate. But again, if you know the truth tables and if you know the working of logic gate, you can easily solve this. See here voltage is applied. How much voltage is applied? 6 volt is applied. This is LED bulb. Whenever voltage is applied, it will be lightning on. It will be emitting light whenever bulb is applied. And this is grounded. These are gates. These two are gates. These are open gates. Whenever it is open, the signal is low. Whenever it is closed, the signal is high. Whenever this is open, the signal is low. Whenever this is closed, the signal is high. Let me draw this diagram once again, and I will be writing the truth table here. A, B, and this is output Y. When this output is on, whenever it is having 6 volt, it is always on. Now see here. Already this bulb is lightning due to this 6 volt. Already this bulb is lightning due to this 6 volt. If I want to draw this original diagram, this diagram will become something like this. Here there is a resistor. I will draw here. Here there is a resistor and one bulb is there. Again there is a resistor. Now what has happened? There is one input. Here there is an input. Here there is another input. This is A input. This is B input. Now here a battery of 6 volt is applied. This is what 6 volt represents. A battery of 6 volt is applied. Now current will be flowing in this direction. Now current will be flowing in this direction. Now suppose, now everyone concentrate here. This is output. Already it is lightning. Bulb is lightning because 6 volt current is flowing through this. Now suppose A is open, B is open. Means what? A is 0, B is 0. Bulb is still lightning. Why? See here. This current can't pass here. This current can't pass here. Why the current can't pass here? Because this is an open circuit. No current flows in an open circuit. So whenever A is open, B is open, all the current passes through bulb and the bulb will be lightning and the bulb will be lightning. Now let us see the second option. If A is 0 and B is closed, what I did, I have closed this circuit. B is closed. Now let us see what will happen. Now the current will be coming here. Again, can the current pass through open circuit? Can the current pass through open circuit? Can the current be is closed here? No. Can the current pass through open circuit? No. Again, what will happen? It will again move on to the bulb. Again, the bulb will be glowing. Now, what is the third option? Let me close A and open B. Now I have closed A. Now I have closed A. Now B is open. Now I have closed A and B is open. Now what will happen? The current will try to pass here. The current will try to pass through A because A is closed. It will come towards B. Can it go again to open B? No, because B is already open. B is already open. So instead of coming here, it will again pass through the bulb. It will again pass through the bulb. Again the bulb will be on. Now you can understand what will be the fourth condition when both of the switches are closed. If I close this A, if I close this B, now the entire current passes through this particular region. It passes through B and finally it will reach the negative terminal. It will reach the negative terminal. The bulb will not glow now because no current is passing through the bulb. So which gate does it represent? Whenever both the inputs are 0, output is 1. If any one of the input is 0, or if any one of the input is 1, output is 1. Which gate does it represent? Just around 4 or 5 problems before we did this one. This is nothing but NAND gate. This was the question given in NEET 2019. I hope everyone understood this. This was the first time they have given some typical question. So again, you can expect this type of question or a easier question in upcoming 2020 examination. Now this was the end of NEET questions. Let us move on to the other competitive examination